Hi all and welcome back to another one of my videos where I am talking about the Gucci Jumbo belt bag. So I have had it for 1 year now and I thought it's time to do a quick update, wear and tear update. So 1 year later and I still absolutely love it. It's my most worn belt bag out of all of them, and I think it's actually my favorite belt bag. It's really big. It's the bag that you can count on to basically fit as much in as possible. It's so comfortable to wear, like it's so, look, you can see now it's so flexible. I do have some things in here. I think in a way I prefer it to the Louis Vuitton bum bag, and that's because the Louis Vuitton bum bag was my first designer bag and it cost more than this one. So even though this was still expensive, it cost a lot more than this bag. So I get really protective of that one. With this one, I don't need to worry about if I drop something or if the rain hits the straps to stain the strapping because it's material. So I definitely get more use out of it. It's also really flexible, so you can pretty much fit anything in here. The only thing I would say is if you're wearing it across the waist, it can get a bit bulky, like you can see in here, but I don't really mind. It depends on what sort of person you are. So in terms of wear and tear, it's basically in really good condition. There are no marks. I have dropped some things on here. There are no marks on the material here at the front or at the back, and you can see, it's really good condition. There is some marks here in the leather trim here, which I didn't even notice until just now. But like I said, I've never noticed it and I do really make use of it. I'm not planning to sell it or anything. This is for me and to use as much as possible. There are no marks and nothing is wrong with the straps. It's perfect condition. I do loosen it and tighten it quite a lot. So, it goes to show it's really hard wearing. A light scratch on the buckle here, nothing wrong with the leather trims here, and there is sadly some scratches here, but they're not very deep and I do make use of it. The buckle is working fine, it's great. I do feel reassured because it's got the Gucci warranty on it, and if it broke, I'm sure Gucci would help with that, so I'm not worried. The only thing I'd say is it is a shame there is no pocket at the back, because with other belt bags I do keep my phone there. So with this one I don't have that option. However, it's so big, there's the zip's great. Usually I would partially open the zip, slide my phone in and zip it back up. So like I said, I mainly wear it across the waist, which is great. That's how I wear it. I got the smallest strap size at the time, if you go back to some of my other videos. So when I wear it across the body, it does fit really tight, even when I loosen it right to the tightest bit, which is fine. I don't mind, but sometimes I don't want something this big, this tight to my chest. I would probably want it a bit looser. So maybe I could have got the middle size or the larger strap size, but I'm actually really happy with it. I put everything I can into this bag because it does fit me. You wear it quite often at the tightest point around my waist because I'm really petite. So yes, basically I love it. Inside it's absolutely fine. I do chuck a lot of stuff in, so at the moment I've got some like dog poop bags, a coin purse, some lip balm and another lip balm, and I basically chuck them in, and it's just so easy to use. It's a really pleasure to wear. I love it so much. I have got quite a lot of compliments on it, I think because it's not like a traditional Gucci bag. Sorry about the sun there, but yes, so a year later it's in great condition. I'm really happy with it, and it's my most worn designer, or my most worn bag. This is the most worn bag I wear. I wear it all the time. You can see if I wear it with something like a dress, because I'm so petite, it can look really chunky. So I have to rearrange what I've got in there or make it flat. I have fit everything in here. Like I even fit a full pack of baby wipes, for example. It fits so much, so it's really trusty, and it's nice to have the option to basically wear it across the back, or I can even just wear it like this because I'm not worried about it ruining the material, or across the body. So it's really handy, it's really lightweight, it's such a nice pleasure to wear. It's a pleasure to wear. I love it. I would definitely get it again. I actually want to get the jumbo belt bag in black leather as well, so that's probably if I save up for that. But yes, a year later I love it. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.